28 seconds is all it takes to get rid of the stress and overwhelm of nursing school. Sit back, let's put 28 seconds on the clock, and let me show you how. The way we do it is we create personalized study plans inside the NRSNG Academy. So let's say I need to study heart failure. Heart failure in there, let's say my exam is on the 21st of June. Whether I'm in a concept-based program, I can type perfusion in there, or I can just right up here type in heart failure. So I click on the 3 heart failure topics, and I can search anything in here. I can search by concept. I can do it however I need to. Then I just click update. Boom. And just like that, success. I have transformed my nursing school experience. Right now you're thinking, we haven't done anything. All you've done is click on a couple things. But let me take you back to my dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you can see it's completely changed down here on the bottom. First of all, up here at the top, I have continue watching, which would be the next lesson in my study plan. Then I have the name of my study plan. I have how many days remaining, and this changes every day you log in to help you stay focused. Then down here, I have my study plan progress. If you look over here, I've already completed 25% of my study plan. Let's see why. I've already been in here studying. I've already been playing around, mastering things. So I've completed 25% of my study plan. If you haven't done anything, you're going to have 0% progress. But what this does here is it tracks everything that you need to study to master heart failure, whether that's a lesson, whether it's a case study, a care plan, a mnemonic, questions, whatever it is, it's all right here. And all you have to do is click this little continue button on any one of these things to start mastering those concepts. I click continue here on the care plan. It's going to take me directly to a CHF care plan. So I can just click through, view this, read this, study this. Then I click mastered, go back to my dashboard, and look at what's happened. This is super cool. My care plan has been mastered. I'm progressing. Look at that, 39% done with this study plan. Then let's say I need to study a video, a lesson. I just click here. It takes me directly into the heart failure video where I have all the overview. I have all the study tools that I can view. I have all the questions, patient stories. I got my playlist right here that I can continue to study on. It's pulling all the resources, all the videos, all the lessons from the NRSNG Academy and delivering to you based specifically on what you need to study. Imagine that. You don't have to sit down, sift through 50,000 resources to try to find out what you should study. You don't have to open up 5 different apps to see your flashcards and to see your mnemonics and to see your case studies and to watch a bunch of YouTube videos. You don't have to do any of that. Everything is right here. This is your all-in-one complete secret weapon to mastering nursing school. It's all right here. You just click these little continue buttons, whether you got 5 minutes or 5 hours, it's all right there. The library, the classroom, the dashboard, the testing center is now completely catered to you so that you don't waste a second and you can just click through and continue to master things. Here's my testing center, and this is based on my study plan. So here's all the heart failure questions I've answered right, I've answered wrong. I can sort. If I go into the library on any library element, it's going to show me what I need to study for my study plan. Click right here, sort by study plan. Here's all the ones that are based on my study plan. Now, but the dashboard is really your home base. This is where everything starts because you can just ignore everything over here and just focus on the things down here in your study plan. You can also, of course, dig around, look for other information, study through different library resources, all the things there, take additional questions through NPQ or NCLEX, watch additional videos in the classroom, maybe on MI, other things associated maybe with heart failure. But you don't even have to do that if you don't want to. There's thousands and thousands of resources here in the NRSNG Academy. But with personalized study plans, what we've done is we've developed what's called the Core Content Mastery Method, which is our way of delivering to you content in the way we teach it and making sure that you're not wasting a second of your valuable time as a nursing student. It's all right here. Boom, click a little button. One click, you're in studying the care plan you need to master. That's the power behind the Core Content Mastery Method. That's the power behind creating personalized study plans. And that's how the NRSNG Academy is going to remove stress and overwhelm for you while you're in nursing school.